We present to your attention a detailed review of the Red Magic 10 Pro gaming smartphone, a device created for the most demanding gamers. Red Magic 10 Pro has a modern design using aluminum alloy and glass, which gives it an elegant and durable look. The smartphone is equipped with a 6.85-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2,688 by 1,116 pixels, a refresh rate of 144 Hz, and a peak brightness of up to 2,000 nits, providing a bright and clear image even in bright sunlight. The device is based on a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with 8 cores and a maximum clock frequency of 4.32 GHz, which guarantees high performance in any tasks. The Adreno 830 GPU with a frequency of 1,100 MHz ensures smooth operation of modern games. The smartphone is available in various RAM configurations, 12 GB, 16 GB, and 24 GB, as well as with 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB of storage, allowing you to choose the best option for your needs. To maintain stable operation under high loads, Red Magic 10 Pro is equipped with an advanced ICE-X Magic cooling system, including a built-in fan with a rotation speed of up to 23,000 RPM and an evaporation chamber with an area of 12,000 square millimeters, which effectively reduces the temperature of the device during intense gaming sessions. The smartphone is equipped with a 7,050 mAh battery, providing a long operating time without recharging. Support for fast charging with a power of 120 watts allows you to quickly restore the battery charge, which is especially important for active users. Red Magic 10 Pro is equipped with a triple main camera, including a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel macro camera, which allows you to take high-quality photos in various conditions. The 16-megapixel front camera is located under the display, providing a frameless design and high-quality selfies. For the convenience of gamers, the device is equipped with customizable gaming triggers with a response rate of 520 Hz, which ensures instant response in games. In addition, a special switch is provided for quick access to the Game Center, where you can customize performance and other parameters to your preferences. Red Magic 10 Pro is a powerful gaming smartphone with advanced specifications, thoughtful design, and many features aimed at gamers. It provides high performance, high-quality display, and long battery life, making it an excellent choice for mobile gamers.